Hello everyone. One of our student, he is just completed his course from Velocity Trading Academy and he just want to share his experience with us. So you can start.
Hello, my name is Benjamin Asher. I just came from London, UK. On 20th of January, I just came in the course in Forex course in the local city institutions, and I had a very nice environment, friendly and good hospitality. We started on 20th of January my course, and they finished by after 2.5 months. The course actually was part with the Madam Bensari and his her partner, Mr. Ser. In two parts, we done it, and intensive was in the second course. It take 3 weeks, but in the Madam course was actually 1.5 months. Very good, and I really enjoyed the course. Before to come to the course, I didn't know actually about the courses. What is a forex? Is it? I just had some experience in YouTube. When I came here, I was very interested, and that private course which I did with the mom was astonished, very good and very amazing experience I had. I recommend everyone if they want to come to do the course as a professional trading. Uh, my recommendation is to come and join and talk to the miss, and she's gonna guide you. She's gonna help you for understanding what is a forex from beginning to the advance. The advance, the sale to the part of this institution, and very good, and I'm really happy for that my experience. And one of the things more I can tell you about in life support. If you finish your course, still you can come, and any question you have, she's gonna help you for very kindly, very nice, and you're gonna get this support. I think it's amazing. You cannot find anywhere that much hospitality, that much helpful institutions. Thank you. Yeah, that is what I should to say about Velocity Trading Academy by Madam Bensari and Kitten Ser.